Hi, I'm Marcela Juarez Aranda. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Puebla City. My marital status is single. My cell phone is 2223481905. My email address is maricielo_18blue@hotmail.com. Currently studying to LCD, that means Creation and Enterprise Development. This is my first semester. I'm studying this college career because my dream is to get my own business and offer good products and quality service that make the world better. I'm studying the high school in Propetec. My experience, I have worked as a history, geography, Spanish tutor for middle school guys. This activity helped me to develop patience and empathy. I have participated on multidisciplinary nations and I learned to discuss issues affecting environment and other interest countries. My business skills are empathy, optimism, and find opportunities in explored areas. I don't want to be smart, but I think that I'm very creative and I think that it's good for resolve problems. My hobbies are read novels, mangas, go to the gym, practice piano, and prepare the dinner. Currently, I'm assistant on Nexus. That is a student group to do business dates for entrepreneurs and help with business based on ideas and context. My expectations are getting experience worldwide, applying them in my business, and make valid partnership with others. If you need more information, feel free for contact to me. Thank you for your attention.